In this tutorial, I would like to go over the portal. This is the screen that you come to right after you log in. The first thing that I would like to show you are your courses. You'll see them all on the left. You'll see My Active Classes. The first thing that I would like to talk about briefly is My Seton. My Seton is Seton Montessori Institute's Communication Central. You'll be able to hear about possible things like closings, but for you to be able to have closings sent to you through this, you'll have to be able to confirm your email. You'll also be able to find things like program materials and a contact directory in My Seton. Above My Seton, you'll find a student help page. In the student help page, you'll find tutorials. You'll also find a link to search for answers and also submit requests for support. Skipping up to the digital library. In the digital library, you'll be able to find audio books and audio chapters, many videos, free ebooks, and web links. Now, not everybody is going to have the Introduction to Child Development course. The Introduction to Child Development course is 6 weeks long, and we will discuss things like physical development, cognitive development, and social emotional development. However, everybody will have an orientation course. Now, my student is logged into the Early Childhood Orientation course. In the orientation course, you'll be able to submit assignments and be able to get feedback from your instructors. In the orientation course, there will be another tutorial taking you on a tour. You will also learn more about your orientation course during your orientation. Moving to the center, we'll see the calendar. Throughout your time with Seton Montessori Institute, going through haiku, you're not going to see us use this calendar often. You're going to see us use Google Docs, the Google Calendar, because it's able to link up with Seton's calendar and you'll be able to subscribe to it so that it interacts with your own calendar. Moving all the way to the right, you'll see announcements. Now, all of these announcements will come from all of your courses. This is purple, so you'll see that it's linked to the Introduction to Child Development course. However, if an announcement came from the Early Childhood Orientation course, it would be orange. There will also be, when more courses come about, such as academics or practicum, there will be many more announcements that could come about, and they will appear on the left side under the active classes. Now, that is why we have the recent grades. During academics, we will use recent grades to take attendance. So, shortly after attendance is taken and is inputted into haiku, you will be able to see which lecture was put in as absent or present. You will also be able to go into academics and see all of your attendance through the gradebook. I hope that this gives you some clarity on how the portal looks when you first log in.